Are you looking for an easy way to update your Roblox app on your iPhone? In this video, I'll show you how to update the Roblox app on your phone. I'll walk you through each step and make sure that the process is smooth and efficient. So make sure to watch this video until the very end to understand the tutorial properly. To get started, open up the Apple App Store and then tap on your profile picture icon at the top right corner of the screen. So now what you want to do next is pull down from the top just like this. And it will refresh this page and show you all the available updates for all of your apps. Scroll down and find the Roblox app. After that, tap on it. And then simply tap on the update button over here. And it will start downloading the latest update for the Roblox app. If you are having issues like crashing, glitches, or bugs with your Roblox app, then you have to completely uninstall the app from your device and reinstall it. To do that, exit the App Store and then open up the Settings app on your iPhone. Then scroll down a bit and tap General. After that, tap where it says iPhone Storage. After that, just scroll down and tap on the Roblox app. So now what you want to do next is simply tap where it says Offload App, and then tap on Offload App one more time to confirm your action. And it will remove the Roblox app from your device. And then simply tap where it says Reinstall App to download and install a fresh new version of the app back on your phone. Once that's done, you can use your Roblox app without even having to log back in because this process does not remove your account, documents, or data. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.